Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a post on LinkedIn. If you're new to LinkedIn or just need a little refresher, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything, starting from signing up or logging into your account. First, let's get to LinkedIn. Open your browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see two options: sign up or log in. If you already have an account, you'll want to log in. On the right side of the screen, you'll see fields where you can enter your email address and password. Type them in and click the button that says Sign In. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a link below the Sign In button that says Forgot Password? Click it and LinkedIn will guide you through resetting your password. If you're new to LinkedIn, you'll need to sign up. On the left side of the screen, there's a Join Now button. Enter your email address and a password you'll remember. Then, click the button that says Agree and Join, or you can also just continue with Google. Next, LinkedIn will ask you to provide some details about yourself. You'll need to fill in your location, your most recent job title, and your industry. Follow the prompts on the screen. If LinkedIn asks you to verify your email, go to your email inbox, find the message from LinkedIn, and click the verification link. Once you've logged in or signed up, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. This is where all the posts and updates from your connections and companies you follow will appear. Now, we're ready to make a post. At the top of your homepage, you'll see a box that says Start a Post with a small icon next to it. Click inside this box. A new window will open, giving you the space to write your post. Start by typing your message in the text box. This could be anything, like a thought, an update about your career, or a question for your network. If you'd like to add a photo, video, or document to your post, look for the icons below the text box. Click the one that matches what you want to share and upload your file from your device. LinkedIn also lets you tag people or companies in your post. To do this, type the @ symbol followed by the name of the person or company. Select the right one from the drop-down list that appears. If you want to control who can see your post, look for the drop-down menu just above the Post button. Here, you can choose whether your post is visible to everyone, just your connections, or specific groups. When your post is ready, review it to make sure everything looks good. Then, click the blue Post button. Your post will now appear on your profile and in the feeds of the people you've chosen to share it with. That's it. You've successfully created a post on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.